340 millimeter EDF fan update. I don't know which one this is. This is one of several. So what I've been doing at this point, since we're going to be switching to an 18S ESC here shortly, and I'm adding a 22 volt pack to the 48s that I have there, which is going to give me my 10,000 milliamps at roughly 75 volts fully charged. That's going to be able to push this motor to its maximum to give me the RPMs I'm looking for. I just need more RPMs. The volts weren't enough. But while I'm using this for testing, it does produce lift. And before I finish my ductwork, what I've been doing is I've been going through different stages of flow rectification to see what's going to be efficient. Because when I make the ductwork finalized for this bottom half, and that's the great part about this, is I can make it the bottom half and then the intake lip the top half, and the middle section can be thin and or non-existent, because it's irrelevant really, because if it's based on the drone, it's not going to have too much effect. But before I finalize the exterior of this ductwork, I'm testing different angles of flow rectification for adjusting the flow to a more linear movement. So obviously we're spinning this direction. We wanted to rectify this way, and that's what we're doing in this right now. And then we'll be switching it to an 18S pack over there, obviously, and an 18S ESC at 120 amps roughly, which is 20 amps over what that does. I might go with the 150 just for spikes, but we'll see what happens. So that's where we're at now. The next test I'm going to be doing is flow rectification. We saw the EDF dance. That was fun. So we're going to see if that is nullified at all in this setup with this rectification. That's going to be a good test. So having these chains actually wasn't a bad idea, as I thought, because it'll help me with determining the physical effects of the actual torrent that's going on inside the turbine as it's exiting. So if I can rectify that at this stage, and at spin up it actually stays in place or relatively in the same spot with little or no yaw, then I'll be getting really, really close to what I need for the ductwork, which is exactly what I'm hoping for. So this is just another round of testing, an opportunity to test something new. So stick around, it's gonna be fun.